Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making white bean chicken chili. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. Start by cutting up an onion. Next, I'm gonna cut up one serrano. You can use a jalapeno, and this one is a little long in the tooth, but we're still gonna use it. It's still good. See, the seeds are still white. A lot of people think the heat comes from the seeds. Some of the heat does come from the seeds, that's true, but most of the heat comes from that membrane. Now I'm gonna cut this serrano up, guys, but I really wanna cut it into smaller pieces. So cut this down the middle, just like so. How you guys doing today? I hope you are doing wonderful. Me, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. That's all the chopping we got to do. Now let's go over there and talk about the ingredients. We have white kidney beans, also known as cannellini beans. We have one large onion. We have some cayenne pepper, some cumin, serrano, seeds and ribs removed. We have some olive oil. We have some oregano, garlic, Colby Jack cheese, some green salsa, and if I didn't say it, chicken broth. We also have some cooked chicken. We're gonna get our olive oil into this Dutch oven. And we're gonna let that heat up for about a minute. We're gonna get our onions in this thing. And I'm going to cook and stir these onions until they soften up a little bit. Probably take 5 or 6 minutes. So next thing we're going to do is add those serrano. You got to stir. Garlic goes in. Now we're going to add the cumin. The oregano. Cayenne pepper. And we're going to stir this in. We're going to add the beans, the green salsa, and the chicken. Now remember, this chicken is cooked. This particular chicken is seasoned with salt and pepper. Stir that up. We got those beans in there. We got that green sauce in there. We got the chicken in there. Now we're gonna add the chicken broth. Now I'm gonna stir all that in. And somebody, and you know who you are, is gonna email me or like, yo chef, I didn't see you put no salt in there. Well, no you didn't. We use chicken broth. It's salty. We're adding cheese later. It's salty. The chicken is already cooked and pre-seasoned. So right now, I have it on medium and I'm gonna bring it to a boil, and then I'm gonna reduce the heat to a simmer and let it go for about 20 minutes. But everything in here is already cooked, so I'm gonna taste and make sure it tastes pretty good to me. And it does. That's good. All right, let us do its thing. Now it's boiling just like I wanted to. Give it another little stir up. You know how we do? Just cover on. Boom. Put it on low so it'll simmer. It's been about 20 minutes. I'm gonna take the top off. I'm gonna give this a stir. Now, you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna take this device and just go in and smash some of the beans. Why am I doing this? It makes the chili even more creamy. Now I'm gonna add the Colby Jack cheese. And I'm gonna stir that in until it's melted into our chili. Look at that, guys. Woo. We ain't playing today. I'm gonna scoop up some into my bowl here. I have my bowl of chili, served with tortilla chips or tortilla strips. I have some cilantro here, a little extra cheese, some sour cream, and avocado is wonderful. My little sad avocado isn't ripe yet, so not today. Look, avocados don't wait for you, you wait for avocados. And yes, I know tricks about making them ripen quicker. Just gonna tear some cilantro over here, because I like it. If you hate it, use parsley or don't use anything at all. It's all good in the hood. Sprinkle on some cheese. Yo, you can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.